After proudly serving our customers for more than 30 years, American Independent Heating and Air has perfected a high-quality and courteous method of doing business. We provide same-day service, and our technicians are always on time, which means that you never have to reschedule because you have a problem with your heating or cooling system. We specialize in residential HVAC services, from air duct cleaning to air purification to installation and repair. Our service vans are always fully stocked with high-efficiency equipment. Our factory-trained technicians are prompt and pet-friendly and will always answer any questions you might have. We also believe in giving our customers the best warranties possible, which means that you save money down the road should anything go wrong. We are conveniently located in Redlands, California, and we serve the entire San Bernardino area. For honest, reliable service for your heating and cooling systems, visit www.hvac-cool.com.